Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets, guys. And the reason, and ChatGPT, by the way, let's not forget that. And the reason that we're promoting this particular product is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. That's right, you make money every single month off of the same sale. So sales are much more valuable in this system, guys. And so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna just check and see if we got a sale here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page here just to make sure we didn't get a sale. We're gonna make sure we're doing it right, because it's very easy to change numbers around, and stuff could change in a couple of seconds. It really does happen that fast, guys. I'm gonna refresh the page here just so you guys are taking a minute to load. Sometimes it takes a minute to load. Sorry about that. I want to make sure I show you a whole thing because I don't want you guys to think I'm trying to trick you or anything like that. That's why I refreshed the page in front of y'all and show the whole reloading session of it. And there we go, the session loaded. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal at all. So the first thing you need to do is get your links. All right, you need to get your links. And before I show you how to do that, I'm going to show you the link that I personally use since we're on the page. This is the link that I use because it promotes 3 products. I like promoting this one. All right, so the first thing you need to do is go to my description there while you're watching this video. You're gonna see step 1, step 2. We on step 1 right now. You're gonna see a link say income speech, something like that. Click on it. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now this page is the sales letter for the $25 business, how much money you can make, what it is, all that stuff, blah blah blah. Right. So essentially, what the $25 business is a funnel builder. Now, funnel builder is something like a series of websites to get you to buy something, right? Now, if you guys use funnel builders before, you know the most popular one is ClickFunnels, which is over $100. They can charge that premium because they're the first company to do funnel builders, or at least one of the first. I'm not sure, but they're definitely the premium brand. You know what I mean? So they can charge hundreds of dollars for it because people are already in their system, so making a ton of money. So whatever. But I moved over. I was using ClickFunnels at first. I moved over to the $25 business because it's only $25 a month. Much better deal. So it's a really good product. It's easy. It's actually easier to use as well if you guys are interested in that. Simpler to understand, especially compared to ClickFunnels it was when I was using. And when I was using it, man, I had to learn. You know what I mean? That's all I'm saying. So anyway, it also gives you 20 and 100% monthly commissions for your sales. That means you can make $120 off of each person, guys. It's fantastic news. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna click on. Oh, they also get a charity if you're interested in that. I'll mention that. Gonna click on one of these green buttons here. You can look through here and read everything you want to figure out, all more information, more details and everything like that. We're gonna click on this. It's gonna take it to a page right here so we can sign in and get, you put in all your basic stuff, blah blah blah, and order the product, right? And get the funnel builder. One thing I want to mention, if you use my link, you get 14 free days with HBA Premium. And HBA Premium is basically training on how to get sales using different websites like Facebook group, solo ads, whatever it may be, right? It's training on how to do this, and which is doubly fantastic. And everything that's working right now and whatever it be is constantly updated so that you won't be left behind if rules change, stuff change. We find a better way to promote something works a little better, something stopped working, stuff like that. The reason that happens is because rules change on the sites, and some stuff getting a lot more flooded, stuff like that, and new ways get promoted and found and stuff like that. So let me remind you, so something that worked on TikTok maybe a year ago probably doesn't work now. You know what I mean? Constantly changing. And that's why I say do not buy a course if it's not constantly updating. Don't buy any course that don't constantly update and change over time. Because it's the person not updating their course, you're gonna get left behind. You're gonna buy an old course that don't work anymore, and you might buy it in 2022. Like, say for example, you bought a TikTok course last year. That course is useless now because changes. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, yeah. You also can use AI content creation machine as well to help you come up with like articles, all that stuff, emails, whatever it may be, right? And it's yeah, and the best part about it, if you get a sale with this product while you got the 14 free trial, you keep that $100, guys. So it's a real good way to kind of get you engaged into promoting the product. You know what I mean? You can do it for free. So, which is really cool. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Now we need a way to promote it, and what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way I have found, period, to promote this product. And it works for me. It should work for you. Very simple method. It only takes a couple of seconds and includes ChatGPT. So you want to click on my second link there. It's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. And this is my lead gen secrets. Now, what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. And what you gotta do is stay consistent with it. You gotta keep emailing, guys. And you're gonna go to the mailing system here. You're gonna click on all your leads here. You can check all these leads you want to. But all we're gonna do is email to them. So I'm gonna use an email that ChatGPT has written for me itself, yeah. And right here. All right, this is the one we're gonna load up. That's the cool thing about this system, is that once you got a bunch of emails in them, you can just kind of rotate them. That's what we're gonna do. And yeah, we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check email. Right, guys? Perfectly fine. And we're gonna hit preview. And the reason that we hit preview is for two reasons, actually. One is to check and see if the link works. You want to make sure your link works. If your link don't work, they can't buy the product, guys. That's just how that works. And yeah, my link does work. And also, I want to give you guys a chance to copy this email if you're interested in copying the email. I don't mind you copying it and putting it in the system. Once you got a bunch of these in your system, you won't have to copy or write no email ever again. You just come here, send an email, you're done. You know what I mean? So that's all there is to that. Gonna send an email and we done. That's it. So simple as that. Now, guys, what I just showed you was the absolute easiest way to promote this product, but I think the most profitable way to promote this product is through shorts. So shorts for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok in particular. I think those three sites are the ones you want to work with right now, and just post a bunch of shorts. I say 3, maybe 4 a day is what I do, but at least once a day. At least once a day, you post a short every day, and just keep posting shorts. They don't need to be that long. They don't need to be that well edited or anything like that. You don't have to be a genius with these shorts. You just got to keep posting them. Just post content. Post content. Put a bunch of content out there. You put a bunch of content out there, something's gonna go viral. Boom, you're rich. Well, you ain't gotta worry about money again, at least. That's how it works. So you just keep posting until that happens to you. Now, it could take a month or two. It could happen tomorrow. Like, you never know. But as long as you posting. And by the way, once you get that, once something goes viral, I keep posting anyway. Just keep posting, man. That's how you keep it going. And you keep it going, you keep growing money wise and everything. You don't worry about money. All right, so anyway, guys, that's all it is. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.